Today's patient's a JBL EON 612P. With everything plugged in, we're getting no lights and no sound, so we got to take a look at the power supply and see if the SMPS is even powering on. This one, we weren't getting any output on the secondary of the SMPS, so I'm thinking there's a problem with the voltage coming into it. Stick around if you want to hear my thoughts on how we figured out what part was the problem for this one. If you've been subscribed, you've probably noticed that I had this C14 capacitor go out on me on a different JBL, so let's bump that one up to a 25 volt and then inject some voltage into that SMPS and see if the secondary comes alive. Which it does. 35 volts on the 35 volt line sounds about right to me. So we're not getting voltage into the chip, but everything after it is working appropriately. If you're getting AC in and that's flowing through, the DC line into the SMPS is not too complicated to follow. So Q4 here is a switching transistor that goes into the SMPS and generates the voltage to turn the controller on. Without that 13 volts, we don't have anything turning on, no power, no sound, no nothing. So a little bit of SMD resoldering work here with a new component should get us up and running. It's always exciting when a 10-cent part can get a $300 speaker up and running. Blue means we got power and green means it's working. Do we get green? Green means go, baby. All right, let's go. So now the fun part. We got to put this sucker back together, get all these screws back in and tighten down, and bump some tunes and give it a real test. 4 connectors on the back of the board to get the amp plate back in, screwed in for a good little test run. If you've ever checked YouTube for repair advice and found a way to fix something, subscribe to support this channel so we can keep making these videos and helping people down the road. This one was just a Q4 transistor, a 3904L, keeping our power down. Let's give her a test. Sounds good to me. Rock on.